tomorrow. Yes, sir. This is the weekly closure update. Yeah, let me give you that update, man, of how the market has been. First of all, we have gold. Gold was bullish, then today is very bearish. Okay, today the market is very bearish, but as you can see, I've already made my money. I want to be out of the charts by tomorrow morning, man. I don't want to trade tomorrow because at the same time I'm exhausted. As a trader, you understand the feeling of being too much cooped in the house and overworking yourself. So this week I have overworked on the charts by personal things and other brands I'm working on. So I want to relax, man. So as you can see, gold was very bearish. I ain't going to analyze it, I ain't going to look at it, but one thing I'm sure it's going to drop. So that's gold. We didn't have any setup because I was waiting for gold to break certain support so that I can sell, but it did not. All right, when it comes to BTC Euro was our other baby. We did not take that setup. As you can see, we wanted to get into the market here. We waited for confirmation, but our confirmation was not given. This is the beauty of understanding the market. We avoided a loss, a very massive loss, because as you can see, this was our TP levels. So if we took this setup at this area, we will have encountered a loss. Okay, but the beauty of understanding the market is you know when to take a setup and when not to take it. So I'll be waiting for it next week. We have the time, and it seems as if it's going to give us a very good setup. All right, it's going to give us a very good setup. Yeah, we have our US oil. US oil is rallying up. Why? You wanna know? Because of the situation in the Iran situation. Yes, so the war is still going on. The war is still big. The war is still massive. So overall, what we have talked about is gold and BTC Euro. When it comes to US30 is one of the pairs that used to give me a lot of setups, but now it's behaving different, man. Please remember never to fall in love with a pair, man. Okay, fall in love with your strategy, and that will save you a lot of money. If I continue to trade Don Jones, I will have lost so much money. As you can see, this market has been very unpredictable. It has not been respecting any trading strategy, and it's turning back to your entries within zones that are not there. So it's not respecting the previous zones, and that has been one of the reasons why I've been avoiding US30. So this is the weekly closure. I'm giving you an update of what things have been. We have GBP/USD. This is the pair that has made us money. Money was made on live session. This is what I call transparency, man. We make money together as we look, man. Look at that. Our TP1 was hit, and we have hit our TP2 within this live session. Actually, we should mark it. I have 3 levels. I have my TP1 level, my TP2 level, my TP3 levels. For those who know how I trade, that's how I trade. Okay, I take 3 trades, and each time we have a TP hit, we adjust our stop loss. Okay, sorry for that. I want you here. Okay. Why? So every time we have our TP hit, we adjust our stop loss, right? So that's what you should know. Every time. It's not happening. I want to type the TP that was taken. Yeah. If you don't want to work, just tell me. I'll just find another one. Okay. Yeah. That's what I want, man. I will delete the other one. So our TP was hit. This is TP2. TP2 hit, which is a very beautiful thing, and which is one of my achievement this week, man. So as you know, we will continue to trade it. I don't know if I will hold it over the weekend. I don't like doing that, but the market is going to go to our TP3 levels. As you can see, they are down here. Okay, this is the final TP. So we'll have to wait and see how the market closure will be, and see if the market is going to respect our strategy. So far, when it comes to GBP/USD, we only have one setup left open. One setup. Okay, 2 setups closed, both TPs and both money made. So when our TP level is broken below here, we will adjust our stop loss. So we will be in a risk-free trade. Okay, I said I'm going to take a risk-free trade. Okay, we'll be moving our stop loss after the market breaks below these levels, but not before, right? So that setup has all this space to breathe. Sometimes I don't even adjust the stop losses, I just leave them and enjoy the trade. The other one was Euro USD. I did not take that setup, and as you know, Euro USD has news today which I thought were going to affect the market too much, but as you can see, it's holding well. It's holding well, man. So the only very volatile pair today is gold, man. Okay, the only very volatile pair today is gold. So that was a beautiful week, man. Yes, sir. That was a beautiful week, man. Money was made. Let's trade together every day, every time, man. Trade with Chats World, man. Every time on Kick, every time on Kick, man. I'm giving you updates on the other social media, but I stream live on Kick, man. Every time, every day. So just roll out of the chat for the weekly closure, man. Let's meet next week. Yes, sir. But I'll go on with the live stream.